got a burr on it. Huh. That one, that came off.
You want me to hold it?
No, I'm good. Well, that buzz's good. That one's good too.
Think you hit something?
Must have been a nail in something, or
I wouldn't doubt it. Maybe there was a trail marker.
yeah. Only trees that fall, seems like.
Yeah.
You wouldn't think that makes a difference hitting it, but you can tell as soon as you do it.
You're getting shavings out of it?
Yeah, yeah, you can see the difference in the file.
Beagle thought that you were taking food out.
Yeah, he must have thought something came sniffing around. I got them all.
I wouldn't know.
Feel like it.
Which side are you doing, or both sides?
Both sides.
Okay.
Gotta do both sides.
Yeah, I wasn't sure.
Feels like I got them all. That one was pretty bad. It's one of the first ones I did. And these two.
What kind of metal is the chain made of?
No, I'm not that technical about it. You know, I don't really.
Well, it never rusts, right?
Yeah, it doesn't rust because I think you oil it all the time.
Oh, so it's probably steel then.
Yeah. All right.